Hello. In this tutorial, I'll introduce you to the concept of data templates, which are used extensively in DesignBuilder. I'll also show you a selection of the templates available, how to manage template data, and finally, how to load templates to model data. The full library of available templates can be found here on DesignBuilder's opening screen. Templates are databases of typical data groups such as building usage and constructions. Some of these are automatically set according to the location you choose when you start a new model. Templates allow you to quickly bulk load common relevant data into your model. For example, this early design medium weight construction template contains all the construction data, such as walls, floors and roof, subsurfaces, air tightness, etc., relevant to that type of building. Selecting this template loads all the data it contains to the Construction tab with just that one selection. The template can contain lots of information, but only the data relevant to the model is used in the calculations. For example, if the building only has a flat roof, the data loaded under the pitched roof constructions is irrelevant and is not used. DesignBuilder's library templates are locked and cannot be edited, as shown by this locked library data notification at bottom left of the dialog. However, you can add a new template or clone an existing template and then edit them to create your own bespoke templates. Creating your own template allows you to load the same data into any model you work on in the future. For example, if you frequently work for a large client that has their own construction specification, you can simply create a template including that specification and then load it into the current and future models for that client. This minimizes data input, which saves you time and reduces the risk of input errors. The library templates on the opening screen are loaded into the model at the time a new DesignBuilder file is created. After that, they are associated specifically with that model and become model templates. Each tab in the model data has the name of the template used to load the data at the top, shown in bold. For example, at the top of the Activity tab is the Activity template. At the top of the HVAC tab is the HVAC template, and so on. I can load different data from a different template by clicking on the template name, then selecting another one from the info panel, or clicking here on the Browse button and making a new selection. When I select this Best Practice Medium Weight template from the Early Design folder, the data in that template is loaded into the model. If I open the template, you can see that it is shown as locked library data. As mentioned earlier, library templates cannot be changed to ensure they are not accidentally corrupted. However, you can create a new template and edit that, or copy and edit an existing template to change it. Notice how this has now changed from locked library data to model data. Note that any template you add while a model is open will be added to model templates and not to the template library. It will only be added to the library and available to new models if you export the new component model data in DDF form and import the DDF file to the library before creating the new model. This process is explained in the program help. I'll now close this dialog and load the Best Practice Medium Weight template. I can also use the Model Data Grid view and load data from template tools to load template data into the model in a controlled way. These tools can be accessed from the Tools menu or the toolbar. I'll take a quick look at the Load Data from Template tool now. You can select one or more data sources for these template libraries and load it to whichever objects are selected here in the Target tab. So, for example, I could select a specific wall construction and glazing properties and then apply them to all walls within a specified orientation range. Or I could select specific HVAC and lighting templates and apply them to selected zones that have those properties in common. This will be covered in more detail in later tutorials, along with templates for each of the model data tabs. This finishes our quick review of model data templates in DesignBuilder. We hope you found this tutorial useful. Further information on the specific topics and wider application areas can be found in the comprehensive DesignBuilder Program Help, other tutorials and webinars, and our on-demand training.